to Python programming. Today I will discuss about the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is like the series 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 2 5 and so on. So how we can get output like the series by the program. Okay. So here is the 21 digit is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 number position up to it is result 21. So I will show how the program will write. So here you can see I have taken input in here is the starting program is here n is equal to int input enter the limit. Here you have to give the limit. After that I just call print the for answer. I just give an function call and function. So when you use the function you have to call the function outside of the program, otherwise it will not enter the function. Okay. So fibo is the fibo definition is written here. It is the called function, it is the definition of function. So define function here. So here you can see in fibo, within fibo I just declare a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Actually in the form the first digit 0 and 1 you have to declare. Okay. So it is the initial variable 0 and 1. If n greater than 0, actually enter the limit. If I enter the limit 9, then 9 less than 0. Yes, it is also true. Uh, so, sorry, it is not true. Here, then it will show the incorrect input. Okay. Suppose you just input 0. So 0 limit is 0 output. So you have not give to here 0 0, it is not true. So that's why it will print the incorrect input. Okay. After that elif n equals to 0, then if equals to 0, for 0 it output should be 0 equals to 0, that's why I am written here. And here 1 written. If n equals to 1, so 0 plus 0, यहाँ पे 0 plus 1 equals to 1, so written b 0 0 and 1. For 0 and 1 I just use these types of block. Okay. After that, otherwise all the programs would be run like loop. Here I loop get taken loop for loop for in range from 2 it will start. For 1 and 2 it just printed. Okay. For 0 and for 1 printed. But here for I in range from 2 it will start and up to n up to 9 it will do operation c equals to a plus b. So a plus b. So what is the position of first position of a plus b, then a equals to b, then b equals to c. Actually b value transferred to c b, and a value, actually b value transferred to a, and again c's value transferred to b for condition, for looping condition. And the last here variable written b, and b should be output. Okay. So let's start here run the program. Here I run the program. If I run the program, here you can see if I give the limit 5 up to 5 limit, so 0 1 2 3 4 5, so it will show 3. So here is my program is correct. Here it will show 5. If I want to show the 34, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, up to 10 digit it will take. So just run the program. So enter the limit up to 10. I want to show the sum of the Fibonacci series is 34. 34 is correct. So my program is correct. So how the operation is doing for like the 3. I just want to 3. 3 is the position number 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 is the 5 number position. So firstly it will go here not greater than 0. So again it will check here n equals to 0. So I have inputted 0 1 2 3 4. So I have inputted 4. So 4 not, this is not true. So the not true, then go to others block. N equals to 1, 4 equals to 1, no. So it will just omit the 3 loops, and it will go else loop, else statement, and go to the for loop. For I in range 2, from 2 to start. So at the first position it will take 2. C equals to A plus B. A is the value is 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So C's value is 1 and A equals to B. So A equals to B means 0 equals to 1. Now B's value is 1 and B equals to C. Mean 1's value is C value is now 1. So 1 equals to 1. So it will just 1 take and again round up. So 1 done. This for these 2 loops. Okay, and from this one, third one, it will take the value. From the third one it will take the value. Okay, here 2 came. So 2 plus 1 3. Now C value is 3. Okay, before that 2. So that's why it is just continuing the loop. Okay, hope you all understand. You just practice it. If any doubt, just share with me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.